In this video, I'm going to show you a very important Gmail setting that everyone using Gmail should turn off right now to improve privacy and security. First, open your Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app because older versions may not show the correct settings or options. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon. 3 lines. Now scroll down carefully and tap on the Settings option. Inside Settings, you will see different options related to your Gmail account. Find and open the General Management or similar option depending on your device. Now scroll again slowly until you find the option called Open Web Links in Gmail. By default, this option is usually turned on, which means any link you click inside Gmail will open inside the Gmail browser instead of your default browser. For better security and control, you should turn this off by unchecking the box. This helps you avoid tracking issues and gives you more control over how links open on your device. Now go back and open your phone's main settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Manage Apps depending on your phone model. Next, go to Choose Default Apps. Here you will see a list of default app settings for your device. Find and tap on Open Links or Opening Links option. Inside this menu, you will see that apps are allowed to open supported links automatically. Simply turn this feature off to prevent apps from opening links without your permission. This small change can significantly improve your privacy and reduce unwanted redirects. That's it. Now your Gmail and phone settings are more secure. Stay safe and don't forget to check other hidden settings like this to protect your data.